Hi, Ellie here, and today we are going to review the Koda 16 and the new Koda 2 Pro, which I bought very recently. If you're thinking of upgrading your pizza oven or buying a new one, this video will help because we are going to compare the two ovens. Let's do it. So the Koda 16 can take pizzas up to 16 inches and the Koda 2 Pro takes pizza up to 18 inches. They're both made of carbon coated powdered steel. And the 16 comes in the black colour, but you can buy the Pro in blue and black. Here I have my 14-inch pizza peel. I haven't got a 16 or 18-inch one yet. So this is my 14-inch pizza peel to compare the sizes of these two ovens. This is the peel in the Koda 16 and this is the peel in the Koda 2 Pro. Also, I've moved the pizza stone from the Koda 16 into the Pro so you can see the size. There's a gap at the front and there's gaps at the sides. The stone of the 16 is a very different shape from the Pros, but there is that extra width that you get with the Pro. So you do get more stone space, as expected. The depth of the Koda 16 stone is 15 millimeters and the Pro's is 20 millimeters, so it's a bit thicker on the Pro. The Pro also has an integrated pizza ledge and has an enhanced flame guard. If you look at the burners, you can see that there's twin side burners on the Pro. And an L-shaped burner on the Koda 16. And there's a huge difference with the burners. The twin side burners of the new Pro can heat up the whole stone, and the L-shaped burner on the Koda 16, it does not. It heats up the top left corner and side, but the right side at the top does not get much heat because there's no burner there. So the biggest upgrade with this oven would be the twin side burners, giving you a much better cooking position because there's flames on either side and not just at the back and one side, which is what the 16 has. The enhanced flame guard gives you the ability to move your pizza closer to the flame without the flame burning your pizza. The Pro has a removable glass like visor at the top of the front opening of the oven. I'm assuming that stops the heat from leaving the oven, but it can be removed if you don't want it there. The Pro has a digital thermometer system with a digital connect and a meat probe. The Koda 16 does not have any temperature dials or thermometers on it. However, even with the digital thermometer that the Pro has, you will still need to use a laser thermometer to check the top of the stone temperature, because the digital thermometers may not get the exact temperature of the top of the stone, which is what you need for pizza cooking. The digital thermometer it comes with is handy for checking the overall heat of the oven quickly and will be useful for cooking dishes in there. The 16 has a mechanical ignition and the Pro has a battery-operated electronic ignition. And the heat up time is 20 minutes for the 16 and 30 minutes for the Pro. According to the website, mine takes a bit longer than that, but climate and the weather will affect your heat up times. The gas consumption of this oven, there's not much in it The Pro has a little more gas consumption than the 16, which is to be expected because it's a bigger oven, but it's not much. It's 8.49 kilowatts for the 16 and 9.8 kilowatts for the Pro. So if you are thinking of buying one of these ovens or you wish to upgrade from the 16 to the Pro, you will need to consider the price. There's a bit of a price difference. The structure of the burners. If you are going to get the Pro, you are going to get upgraded, better technology gas burners with this oven that heats up the whole stone, not just part of it. And the weight of the oven has to be considered. The Koda Pro weighs 30 kilograms. The Koda 16 weighs 18.2 kilograms. And in comparison, the new Koda 2 weighs 16 kilograms. I could carry the Koda 16 around without the stone in it. I struggled, but I could do it. With this new Pro, I can't carry it on my own, basically because of the big size of it, and it is 30 kilograms, so I do need to have help moving this oven around, and you cannot move it with the stones in either. The stones are heavy too. I've been using the Koda 2 Pro now for the last week and a bit, and I have really enjoyed using it. I am so pleased that I have upgraded from the Koda 16 to the Koda 2 Pro because of the gas burners. That whole system is much better. The stone heat temperature is much better. The way it cooks the pizza is better because of that. And I'm really enjoying using it. So if you are thinking of buying the Koda 2 Pro compared to the Koda 16, you definitely are investing in a newer upgraded technology oven, getting the Pro. As much as I love the Koda 16 and it is cooked incredible pizza for me, the Koda Pro has again enhanced that cooking experience, so I'm really pleased I've upgraded. If you are thinking of buying the Pro, there's many differences between the Pro and the 16 as we've just covered, but they are very positive ones, and I would recommend, if you are thinking about buying a pizza oven, that you look at the Koda Pro. And also, if you are going to be thinking of cooking a slightly smaller pizza regularly, you may want to look at the Koda 2 instead, which is a 14-inch pizza oven, and I've reviewed that oven in this playlist, which is linked in the description below. So I hope you found this video useful. If you've got any thoughts or comments on these ovens or cooking experiences from them, please let me know in the comments below. Check out my playlists for the Koda 2 Pro as I cook in it going forward, and for the Koda 16 if you're thinking of getting that oven too. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.